Today's update is one of the most important for every senior across Australia. After weeks of speculation, the confirmation about the new Centrelink Age Pension adjustment has finally arrived, and it brings with it a direct and powerful impact on the lives of older Australians. The latest review confirms that thousands of pensioners could see a combined yearly benefit increase worth up to $5,200, marking one of the most meaningful changes in recent years. This confirmation doesn't just mean more financial support. It represents stability, relief, and recognition for the older generation who have worked, contributed, and cared for the nation throughout their lives. In this complete breakdown, we'll walk through what this $5,200 confirmation means, how it works, who is most likely to receive it, and what steps every pensioner needs to understand about the timing and eligibility of this adjustment. The government has been under pressure for months to respond to the rising cost of living, increased rents, and higher grocery prices, and now, after several internal reviews, Centrelink has finalized the figures for the next age pension payment round. This confirmation provides clarity at a time when many seniors were uncertain about their future income. The key to understanding the $5,200 amount lies in how the pension is calculated and how recent indexation changes have been applied. The age pension in Australia is adjusted twice a year, in March and September, based on either the Consumer Price Index or the Pensioner and Beneficiary Living Cost Index, whichever delivers the higher outcome. In the most recent adjustment, the increase was significant enough that annualized payments, especially for couples and singles combined with energy supplements and rent assistance, could now total close to an additional $5,200 over a 12-month period. This means real extra cash in hand for seniors who have been struggling to make ends meet amid continued inflation pressures. When you break it down, the new figures represent not just a technical increase, but a genuine lifeline. A single pensioner could now receive more than $1,000 extra per quarter, depending on their situation and whether they qualify for supplementary benefits. For couples, the combined difference can be even larger, especially when both partners qualify under Centrelink's guidelines. This is why so many advocacy groups have welcomed the update, calling it a necessary step in protecting retirees from falling behind in the post-inflation economy. The government has tied this increase to the broader cost of living package announced earlier this year. Officials have pointed out that older Australians have faced some of the highest household expense increases, particularly in essential categories such as housing, energy, and healthcare. This adjustment aims to restore balance by ensuring that pensioners do not lose their purchasing power. It also reflects the government's recognition that many seniors live on fixed incomes and that even small cost increases can have devastating effects. By confirming this boost, the government hopes to reduce the pressure that has been building across retirement communities nationwide. This announcement did not come out of nowhere. Over the past 6 months, financial advisors, pensioner advocacy groups, and welfare experts have been calling for a structural uplift in the age pension to reflect real-world expenses. With electricity prices rising by double digits, grocery costs up by over 7%, and rent costs continuing to climb, the call for reform became impossible to ignore. The $5,200 confirmation effectively acknowledges that the pension system must evolve to match today's economic environment. For those wondering what makes this increase different from regular indexation, the answer lies in how Centrelink recalculated the base rates alongside the supplementary payments. In previous adjustments, most of the focus remained on the main pension rate alone. This time, both the base payment and the additional supplements, including the energy supplement and rent assistance, were reviewed and lifted. As a result, the total package produces a higher overall benefit, allowing pensioners to experience a more meaningful improvement in their weekly and fortnightly payments. The increase also aligns with the latest wage growth statistics, which were recently released by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The rules state that pension rates should not fall behind the male total average weekly earnings, which means that as wages rise, so should pensions. With the latest data showing one of the strongest wage growth periods in over a decade, the formula produced a significant adjustment. This ensures that retirees maintain a fair standard of living relative to working Australians. One of the standout details of this confirmation is the timeline. According to Centrelink's internal schedule, the new rate will begin to reflect in payments from the upcoming adjustment cycle, meaning many seniors will see their first increased deposit in the next few weeks. For some, the change will be automatically processed. For others, especially those receiving partial pensions due to income or asset tests, there may be small administrative updates required. Either way, The confirmation guarantees that eligible recipients will benefit directly. It's important to understand that the $5,200 figure is not a one-time bonus or temporary stimulus. Instead, it reflects the cumulative impact of new pension rates and supplementary adjustments across the year. This means the benefit becomes permanent in the pension baseline going forward. Seniors who qualify today will continue to benefit from the improved rate in future years, compounding the positive effect as future indexations are applied on top of this higher base. The government's decision to confirm this amount has also been tied to its broader fiscal strategy aimed at supporting vulnerable Australians during what officials call a period of persistent inflation. Treasury analysis indicates that pensioners spend a greater proportion of their income on essential goods, meaning inflation hits them harder than most other demographic groups. By providing a permanent uplift, the government ensures that this support is sustainable and ongoing, rather than short-term or politically driven. Public reaction to the announcement has been largely positive. Many seniors expressed relief that the government had finally responded to months of uncertainty. Community organizations across the country, from Sydney to Perth, Brisbane to Hobart, have described the confirmation as timely and much needed. For many older Australians, even a few $100s more each month can make a difference between struggling and living with a bit of breathing room. The sense of recognition and dignity that comes with this confirmation cannot be overstated. Centrelink staff have been preparing for an increased number of inquiries following the announcement. To manage this, the agency has updated its internal guidelines to make sure all eligible seniors are identified quickly. This is especially important for those whose pension amounts fluctuate based on assets, income from superannuation, or part-time work. The new calculation method ensures that increases will still apply proportionally to everyone within the qualifying range, preventing anyone from being left behind due to technical details. Another major component of this adjustment is how it interacts with other benefits. Pensioners who receive the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card, Energy Supplement, or Rent Assistance will see those elements adjusted in tandem. For example, the Energy Supplement increase recognizes the higher costs of utilities following multiple electricity tariff revisions throughout 2025. The rent assistance increase, meanwhile, reflects the pressure many retirees face in the rental market, where vacancies remain low and prices high. Together, these aligned adjustments produce the total value increase, leading to the $5,200 figure. Experts have described this package as a balanced reform, combining compassion with fiscal responsibility. The government has stated that while the national budget remains under pressure, it sees this pension adjustment as an investment in fairness and social cohesion. The logic is simple. By supporting retirees adequately, the government reduces the risk of homelessness, medical neglect, and mental health deterioration among older Australians. In the long term, this approach saves public resources that might otherwise be spent addressing crises caused by inadequate income support. Economic analysts have pointed out that this pension uplift could also have a small but positive effect on the wider economy. Seniors represent a large and stable consumer base, and when their purchasing power improves, local businesses, especially small retailers, pharmacies, and community services, benefit as well. This creates a multiplier effect, where government spending indirectly stimulates regional economies. The hope is that this new pension confirmation will provide both social stability and economic reinforcement at a time when Australia's cost of living challenges remain significant. One of the lesser-known aspects of this update involves how the $5,200 figure was modeled. Centrelink's economists used a range of household expenditure data to calculate how much additional support would be necessary for a typical pensioner household to maintain their standard of living after adjusting for inflation, rent, and health costs. The figure represents the average uplift that achieves this equilibrium. While individual outcomes will vary, the core principle is fairness, ensuring that the pension retains its purchasing power relative to real-world conditions. Seniors across Australia are already planning how to adapt their budgets once the new payments take effect. Many have said that they will be able to cover overdue bills, afford better food choices, or manage medical expenses without skipping treatments. For some, it will mean being able to keep the heating on through winter or afford small comforts that had previously been cut from their routines. The emotional relief associated with knowing that your income will stretch a little further cannot be underestimated. This confirmation also strengthens trust in the Centrelink system, which has sometimes been criticized for being too slow to react to changing economic realities. By acting decisively and transparently, the government has demonstrated that it is listening to seniors' concerns. The communication around this update has been clearer than in previous cycles, with simple explanations about how the increases were calculated and when they will be implemented. This transparency has helped restore confidence among many older Australians who had felt overlooked in earlier years. While the $5,200 confirmation is excellent news, it also brings attention to the continuing debate about pension adequacy in Australia. Advocacy groups continue to argue that even with this increase, many pensioners are still living below what experts consider a comfortable standard of living as defined by the Association of Superannuation Funds of Australia. However, they also acknowledge that this confirmation marks an important step in the right direction and a foundation upon which future governments can build. The Centrelink Age Pension system is complex, with eligibility determined by residency, income, and assets. The confirmed increase will apply to those meeting the established criteria under the age and means test. It's essential for seniors to ensure their information remains up to date so that their payment reflects the most accurate entitlement. Failure to update details such as income from part-time work or changes in superannuation could result in delayed adjustments. Centrelink's updated systems are designed to process these changes automatically, but timely reporting ensures smoother transitions. The broader narrative here is one of recognition and respect. The confirmation of a $5,200 uplift is more than just a line in a government budget. It's a reflection of society's gratitude to its older citizens. For decades, this generation has built the foundations upon which the current economy stands. They have paid taxes, raised families, and contributed to communities. A fair and well-funded pension is not a handout. It is a well-deserved return for a lifetime of contribution. This update also ties into ongoing reforms designed to modernize the way benefits are delivered. Centrelink is in the process of upgrading its digital infrastructure to ensure payments are processed faster and with fewer errors. For seniors who prefer traditional methods, in-person and phone support will continue, but the new systems will allow more flexibility for those comfortable using online services. This modernization effort will play a major role in ensuring that future pension adjustments are implemented without delay. Financial counselors are advising seniors to view this increase as an opportunity to reassess their overall financial plans. With higher payments coming in, it might be a good time for many retirees to consider paying down small debts, catching up on essential home repairs, or setting aside emergency savings. While the pension alone may not create wealth, careful planning can help stretch its benefits further, particularly as additional cost of living relief measures continue to roll out. Healthcare remains one of the biggest challenges for retirees, and this confirmation indirectly supports that sector as well. With increased income, many seniors will be able to maintain regular checkups, purchase medications on time, and afford healthier diets. This, in turn, can reduce hospitalizations and improve quality of life. Health experts consistently emphasize that financial stability is closely linked to physical and mental health outcomes, especially among older adults. In many ways, this $5,200 pension confirmation symbolizes the government's attempt to reset its relationship with Australia's senior population. After years of mixed signals and frustration about slow adjustments, this move shows that the system can adapt quickly when the need is clear. The communication accompanying this announcement has been compassionate, acknowledging the sacrifices and resilience of older Australians. It frames the update not as charity, but as fairness, an act of respect for those who have already given so much to society. As the rollout begins, all eyes will be on how effectively the payment system handles the increased volumes. Centrelink has reportedly enhanced its verification and automation processes to prevent delays, especially for those receiving payments into joint accounts. The agency expects the transition to be smooth, with the new rates reflected in the very next payment cycle after the official start date. For most pensioners, that means their accounts will show the higher deposit without needing to take any additional action. This level of automation marks a significant improvement compared to earlier years when seniors often had to contact Centrelink to clarify changes. The agency has invested in better data synchronization with the Australian Taxation Office and other financial systems to ensure that pension adjustments align automatically with verified income and asset information. These behind-the-scenes upgrades mean less paperwork, fewer delays, and a more seamless experience for pensioners. The $5,200 confirmation also underscores how the Australian welfare system remains one of the most responsive in the world. By balancing fiscal responsibility with compassion, the government continues to provide a model that other countries look to replicate. Despite economic headwinds, Australia has managed to sustain and even expand its pension framework, ensuring that retirees are not forgotten during times of financial strain. In the months ahead, further reviews will likely continue as part of the biannual pension update cycle. However, this latest confirmation has set a new benchmark, providing assurance that pensioners' welfare remains a core national priority. It sends a strong message of stability at a time when global uncertainty remains high.